In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get the Demon King title here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to Academy Island. So go ahead and find a teleporter, interact with it, and teleport to Academy Island. From here, right inside of the actual castle, you're going to see the boss summoner. Essentially, you need to farm the boss. So essentially, interact with it, spend a calamity seal, and this is the boss that you need to farm over and over and over again until you go ahead and unlock this. So farm this guy just like so. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and get the Demon King title. Now, this is obnoxiously rare. There is a pity system set up that you can go ahead and check, which I'll show you in like 1 second after I take this guy out, right? You can do this just by going into your inventory and then hitting titles and scrolling down on here until you see like the Demon King title on here. And we're just going to use this one as an example, right? But essentially, once you find it, if you hit locked, it'll show you your, this much out of 115 for the pity. So after defeating that boss 115 times, you'll go ahead and unlock it no matter what. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.